her down. 1, I push her away from me and make the contact down. 2, lift her leg free and catch with my arm. And now I have her here on my left, on my right, and she has her left on my shoulder, triangle of power. And we walk. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. I release the hand, her leg in that direction. I step 2 to the side, and I lead her now with my right hand in front and step 3. Now we're going to be in the semi-shadow position on top. 4. I'm going to pull her back with my right hand. 5. Now my left hand is going to take the leading and bring her this way over her head while my right slides on her back. 6. I'm changing the grip from here to here. I go 7. Now I collect her with my body and turn to the left and switch the hands. 8. Now with my left hand I'm going to turn her to the right and with my body and go over her head. 1. Keep turning her. 2. You see my hand, my right hand slides on her body while my left is going to drop here on the back. 3. I'm going to slide forward. 4. I'm going to collect slide 3, collect 4, and then bring her forward. 5, break to the side. 6, and then tilt the body. 7, and close, relax. 8 with a side.